How to install Shareit inside your Windows PC. So it's too much easy. So first of all, you have to come in this article. So I'll give the link in the video description, and you will get this article, and just you have to click in the download button. After clicking in the download button, so now you can see you will get this window. Then after that, the Shareit will be installed successfully. So now you can see here the Shareit is downloaded. So the file size is only 6.15 MB. Okay guys, so now we can see here I have already downloaded the Shareit for my PC. So after that, just you have to open this setup file. Okay, so I'm opening this one and just click in the run. So after clicking in the run, just you have to click in the yes. So now we can see it is telling me to accept all the agreements. So I'm just clicking the accept. Okay guys, so now if you want to install the Shareit, then just you have to if you want to create the desktop shortcut, then you have to take this one. Otherwise you can remove this one also, but I want to create a desktop shortcut, so that's why I'm selecting this one. After that, just you have to click the next. Okay, so now we can see it is extracting all the file. Okay, so it will take a little bit time. So now we can see it is telling that completing the Shareit setup. Okay, then after that, just you have to click in the finish. So in this way you can easily install your Shareit. Okay, so now we can see here the Shareit is successfully installed. And I'm opening the Shareit. So now we can see here it is coming here. Okay, so now we can see my Shareit is successfully installed. So I can easily accept all the terms and conditions. So I'm just clicking the accept. So after clicking this one, so now we can see it is successfully installed. So it is giving me few instructions also here. So it is telling that cross platform. So it means I can easily transfers my file from iOS and Android and in the Windows. Then after that, I'm just clicking the skip. So now we can see here I have successfully installed the Shareit. So in this way you can also easily install Shareit in your PC.